Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm still your favorite baker, the recipe queen. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to bake and decorate your bento cake. I've been getting lots of requests. The recipe queen, can you teach us how to bake a bento cake? So today I decided to do that. So before I start, I'll also tell you what a bento cake is all about. What is a bento cake? A bento cake is just a mini cake baked and frosted to your taste, decorated to your taste. You know that word bento originated from South Korea. And South Koreans are used to mini cakes, and right now we have to adopt that style in Nigeria because most of us over here, we are cutting down on our expenses, we are being health conscious, so we are now into bento cakes. A lot of clients are now requesting bento cakes from bakers. So it's just a mini cake baked, it's just a presentation per se. Bento cake is not really a type of cake, it's a cake presentation because it's a small cake you bake, decorate, put in a cake box, little cake box, or in a little bento cake box, depending on cake pack. Then just put your spoon, your fork. The person will just munch it from the box. No need to bring it out, just munch it from the box. And I guess it's been helpful because most people don't buy big cakes anymore, sit down and eat it alone. But for this bento cake presentation, it's just a perfect thing for such people. So you can frost them with whipped cream or buttercream or even fondant. So I'm going to teach you how to do that my own way, my style. So sit back, relax, make sure you watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, let's get started.